This is the 4-in-1 tool from Kikkerland. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the refill. This screws off, but you don't need to screw this part off. It's here. You pull this out, you kind of twist it a little bit and pull it out. And then you unscrew this part, and there's the refill. This this little cap is necessary to make it work. And some people think that the refill is the wrong size. It looks the wrong size because it's smaller. But what you have to do is you have to take off the cap on the original refill and place it on the new refill. Then you screw it in here and then here. So now you can see the tip is coming out correctly. Thank you.